Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change SIM card in iPhone. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly you can see a tray with a hole. So you can see no any other tray with a hole. So then use a pin and then put that pin in this hole and then slightly push. So after slightly pushing, you can see tray is coming out, and then you can see there is SIM card. Then you can use another SIM card, then again put here, and then again insert in that place. So you can see you can change any SIM card in the iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.